is set to grow its premium dunk low lineup in 2026 with the upcoming Light Orewood Brown and Baroque Brown edition, a refined take that blends subtle upgrades with a lifestyle-ready color palette. This release features a light Orewood brown leather base, giving the sneaker a soft, vintage-leaning tone, while Baroque brown suede overlays add depth and warm contrast. Nike keeps the design elevated with matching brown laces and a clean Baroque brown swoosh, paired with a stitched gold mini swoosh on the heel for that premium touch. A crisp white midsole and brown outsole finish off the familiar dunk look. With its muted tones, textured materials, and minimal branding, this pair fits perfectly into Nike's more mature dunk direction. Ideal for winter to spring rotations, this colorway is expected to drop at Nike.com and select retailers in the first half of 2026. Stay tuned for more updates on this upcoming release.